that force is? What are they sitting on?
They're sitting on a dollar.
They're sitting on the dollar bill. Yeah, you guys recognize that right away. Money, boy, that got your attention, didn't it? So that dollar bill must be pushing back up on the pennies, otherwise they would move, right? Just like when I'm standing on the floor, is gravity pulling me down?
Yes.
Yeah, but am I moving? No. So what's pushing up to balance gravity?
The dollar.
The dollar. I'm not saying it, I'm talking about me. What's pushing up to keep me from going through, to start moving? Yes.
Your feet.
No, well, my feet, yeah, my feet's keeping the rest of my body from moving, but what's keeping my feet from moving? They put all the dishes, set them there, and if I go slowly, it's going to drag it right off and they'll fall off, won't they? But let's see, let's actually put them closer to the end. Because sometimes I have to be careful to do this really fast. It's going to be just like the pennies in the dollar bill. So did this one have enough friction to stay?
Yes.
Did these?
No.
Not quite. Let's try it again, see if I can have you shoot with the ping pong ball at the golf ball. You gotta hit it. You can get real close if you want, I don't care. There you go. So you push, remember how hard you pushed. Now we're gonna do the same, and you're gonna push the golf ball just as hard. Stand over here so they can see. They want to see the experiment. Okay, did you give it the same push? Did it move farther? Why do you suppose that is? What's different between these two balls? Yeah, you can't tell. Which were middle ball, and then this little tiny red one on the top. And now, if I drop them all at the same time, which one hits the ground first? The blue one on the bottom, and it's going to start bouncing up, and then it's going to crash into the green one, and that's going to make the green one start to go up, and then that'll crash into the yellow one. That'll make it bounce about that high. And I've got my cup here. This is, you just go eat some yogurt, and you get a nice cup like this. That doesn't bounce very high either, does it? What if I put the ping pong ball in the cup? Yeah, not very impressive. But watch what happens if I put a little bit of water in the cup, okay? And by the way, there's another cool trick you can do on the edge. I'll let you watch the video to see why. But if you take it and you swirl the water around, make a little tornado in there, and then you put the ping pong ball in there, what's the ping pong ball doing? It's staying right in the middle of the cup, isn't it? Okay, everybody stay back. Yeah, not everybody will be able to see this, but you can watch our YouTube video. Maybe they'll let you see it in class. All right, so I like to do that just because I like to keep the ping pong ball in the middle of the cup. So you're going to see me swirl it around so I can keep the ping pong ball in the middle of the cup. Remember how high the ping pong ball in a little bit of water? There's about that much water in there. You know what, let's put a little more in there. I don't want to fill it too full though. It's about half full now, okay? So it's about half full of water. And I'm going to put the ping pong ball in there, and then I'm going to drop it from the same height, and let's see what happens. Ready? Went a lot higher, didn't it? In fact, I don't even know if I can throw it. Yeah, I guess I can hit the ceiling if I throw it really hard, but I certainly can't hit the ceiling from dropping it from there. But if I put water in the cup, good, I didn't even spill very much. Oh, good. A little more air in there now. Alright, see what this one does, right? So it was exactly the same. It was exactly the same. The air was pushing out, made the balloon go the other way. The action and the reaction. That's how rockets work. All right, let's see.